Martin Integrated Supply is an industry-leading integrated supplier focused on reducing the total cost of ownership of MRO goods and services while increasing productivity throughout our customers' business.
Martin has custom-tailored solutions. We try to come in and learn what our customers' needs are and then develop a solution specifically for them.
Because every customer is different, our solutions are custom-tailored and designed specifically to meet your indirect material needs. Through our collaborative engagement process, our customers are able to identify and unlock savings and working capital improvements available through an MRO supply chain solution.
What we provide to our customers is a total lower cost for their indirect materials.
Our processes and technology transform the management of your maintenance, repair, and operating supplies. We monitor the details and provide tools to help you forecast future requirements while documenting the savings the program delivers with every transaction.
First and foremost, we need to understand your business. We come in and we want to understand in detail how you operate. When we understand how and what's important to them, we then look and see if there's any opportunities for improvement. And what we're really looking for is there an opportunity to reduce your total cost of ownership? We then present those findings to you to see if there's an opportunity that you might want to move forward.
Whether it's improved productivity, reduced product consumption, unit price reductions, or working capital improvements, Martin Integrated Supply drive transformative organizational savings to your bottom line. Let us show you how today.